Just getting my coffee going, and I have like 1,000 things that jumped in my head that I want to get started on. It's about 9 o'clock, exactly 9 o'clock. Apple Watch, like it overall. It's not a life-changing tool, but it's cool. Gonna go on my day. I'm gonna oil up the fan, and I have 10,000 things to do. We'll see. No. Yeah. Don't hate me because I use instant coffee. I know. Chef's thing. Gotta make free range beans, cooked at 68 degrees. Oh. Anybody got time for that?
And then the smoke got her. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Now I'm gonna start my day. I've always had a pretty big stuff bag, but now that I'm vlogging, it's like, jeez. I got cables, I got remotes, I got memory cards, I got mice in my bag, I got freaking selfie sticks, and I got more memory cards. Really? Pro camera.
Yeah, I know. My mom showed me the video that you put on Facebook yesterday.
Oh yeah? You watched it?
Yeah, it was so cool.
Thank
I
you.
like the way you just went everywhere around with it. It was so cool.
I'm making more.
Yeah, I told her, I was like, yeah, Grandpa told me he was gonna get a GoPro the other day, and then she was like, really? I was like, yeah. So then I was like, yeah, that's what he's probably filming. And then she was like, I wonder what he's putting in. I'm like, well, the GoPro can put anything anywhere. That's how small it is.
Come on, Maniaco. Come on. Bye. Bye. And this guy, 90 pounds. Say goodnight, Maniaco. I'll go bye. Okay, guys. See you another day. Listen to the news and get smart, okay? Gosh, so cute.
What I think, this whole world is a mess. Gotta have a damn vest on your chest and a Glock just to go watch Batman. Who needs a test? Who's not that man? Half you don't got the guards and intestinal block. The rest of you got lap bands. Stuck to this model before they put vest.
And by the way, you know your vlogger's a chef when you find a piece of garlic on your camera. That happened last night. Willie. Huh, Willie. So, we're running our restaurant. We're always going to check our seafood, make sure we're getting what we're expected to get. And one thing we're always going to check is lobster. So when you pull over a lobster, there should be a wet towel or wet newspaper on top. Oi! Willie! What happened? The glass broke, thank you. And your lobster should be very alive. Sorry, Willie. I didn't mean to do that. Very strong. As you see, it picks up like that. Very strong. The body feels full. This guy here is good, but he's a little weak. See, he drops the tail a little bit, and the body feels a little weak. We're gonna cook him first. Get a towel or something like that. Hey, part of what we do. Oh, this is my beef, and this is wrong. Oh no, this is right. Now, what more we have? One of these. And calamari necesito también. So we check everything, make sure it's up to par. We get this guy a check. Thank you, Willie. Sorry about the glass, okay? Thank you. Sorry. I've been cooking for 28 years, running restaurants, and it never ceases to impress me and honor me that I'm able to feed people every day alongside my amazing wife and bring joy to people. The people we're actually serving this lunch to, the husband is really, really super cool and patient with his wife. She's a sweetheart, but she's getting older. And right now the waiter is telling me a story of how she ordered her food. And I said, hey, you know what? She needs a little help. She's getting older. We might all be there one day too. So I want you to understand that restaurateurs and chefs and servers and bartenders and everybody in the middle, we really care about what we do and we take care of people. If you think about it, we're putting something in your body that could possibly hurt you or make you really happy. So give some love to your cooks, your waiters, your bartenders, all the people that take care of you in restaurants. They really do want to do the right thing, even though sometimes it doesn't go as planned. Now back to the show. Alright, lobster nights tomorrow. What's going on here? Have to cook the fish. I actually have to feed the fish. Jeez. He's hiding in there, he's not even looking at me. Okay, let's go.
Trunk music.
God, this rain is insane. Hello, Memo.
Oh my goodness.
You see the rain?
Oh my god, he's good.
A lot of rain. Still raining.